In this video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Roblox accounts on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do in order to switch your accounts on Xbox is to first unlink the current account link you have and then link the new one afterwards. So open up Roblox and go to the home screen, or you can find your recently played games and you can see your character on the left side of the screen. In there, as you can see on the bottom right corner of the screen, press the X button to access the settings. After you press X, you will be taken to the settings where you have 4 options: Account, Switch Profile, Adjust Screen, and Help. In there, just select the first option, Account, and you will be taken to the Account Settings page where you can notice the Unlink button at the bottom. So just hover over the Unlink button, click it, and you will get this prompt. Confirm that you want to unlink that Roblox account from Xbox, and after you do, select OK from the confirmation prompt. And once you select OK, you will be immediately taken to the home screen of Roblox on Xbox, where you can sign into the new account by following through with the setup. I hope I was able to help you on how to switch Roblox accounts on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.